For decades, Boeing and Airbus have dominated the skies, shaping the very landscape of commercial aviation as we know it. Their aircraft have carried billions of passengers, shaping airline strategies and ticket prices worldwide, and setting the standard for safety and innovation. Their rivalry was fierce but predictable. Two titans locked in a battle for supremacy, each pushing the other to new heights, but always within familiar boundaries. Until now. Enter China, with the Comac C939, a clean-sheet wide-body jet, designed from the ground up to rival the Boeing 787 and Airbus A350, and to challenge the status quo. This isn't just another airplane, it's a bold move that could end the comfortable duopoly and launch a new era in aviation, one where competition is fiercer and more global than ever before. The C939 is the result of decades of ambition, relentless research, and massive national investment, representing China's determination to become a leader in aerospace technology. China is no longer content to assemble aircraft for others, it's building its own, aiming for global certification and a seat at the table with the industry's elite. For Boeing and Airbus, this is a direct threat to their most profitable lines, and a wake-up call that the market is evolving. They now face a state-backed competitor with the resources, ambition, and support of the world's second-largest economy, ready to invest whatever it takes to succeed. The C939's arrival will force a rethink of strategies, pricing, and innovation across the industry, as established players scramble to defend their turf. For airlines, it promises more choice, potentially lower prices, and the chance to diversify their fleets with a new player in the mix. But it also raises important questions about supply chains, international certification, and the impact of geopolitics on global aviation. The journey from blueprint to airport runway will be long and challenging, filled with technical hurdles, regulatory scrutiny, and the need to win the trust of airlines and passengers alike. Yet, the C939's very existence has already sent shockwaves through the industry, sparking debate and anticipation in boardrooms and newsrooms around the world. The era of two giants is ending, and a new chapter in aviation history is being written before our eyes. A new three-way contest for the skies has begun, promising more innovation, competition, and excitement for the future of flight. The C939 stands at the center of this transformation. The world is watching, eager to see if this new challenger can truly soar. The race for the future of flight just got a new contender, and the outcome is anything but certain. The Comac C939 is more than just advanced machinery. It's a powerful symbol of China's ambition and its rapid technological rise on the world stage. This aircraft represents years of research, investment, and a vision to compete with the best in global aviation. For Beijing, building a world-class wide-body jet isn't just about transportation. It's a matter of national pride and a strategic necessity for the country's future. The C939 stands as a capstone project, on par with China's ambitious space program and its revolutionary high-speed rail network, showcasing the nation's technological prowess. The C939 signals a dramatic shift for China, from being the world's factory to becoming a true innovator, capable of designing and building cutting-edge technology. For decades, China relied heavily on Boeing and Airbus, which not only created a trade deficit, but also fostered a deep dependence on foreign suppliers for critical aviation technology and components. The C939 aims to capture China's vast and rapidly growing domestic market, while also reducing the country's reliance on Western technology and expertise in aviation. It's a core part of the Made in China 2029, Neenfanen Vermaan 25, Berkwansens, Ixtombor, Alay Paninchier Dagus, in Namur Wandebersters, which is focused on building industrial resilience and technological self-sufficiency. A homegrown fleet insulates China from geopolitical risks, trade disputes, and the uncertainties of international supply chains. The C939 is also a projection of soft power, a flying ambassador for Chinese engineering, innovation, and national confidence. Every successful flight challenges old perceptions, builds global prestige, and inspires a new generation of Chinese engineers. Its success is measured not just in sales or market share, but in the powerful narrative it creates, one of progress, determination, and national achievement. The C939 is China's bold statement to the world. We can build the future, and we are ready to soar to new heights. The C939's journey began with lessons from earlier projects like the ARJ-21 and C919. Each step built expertise in design, supply chains, and certification. After a stalled joint venture with Russia, China chose to go it alone, rebranding the project as the C939. The official reveal showcased a modern, spacious design, no copy, but a true competitor for the 2030s. The industry took notice. China was serious. Since then, Comac has hit key milestones, finalizing design, selecting suppliers, and building advanced factories. Automation and digital manufacturing are at the core of new assembly lines. First flight, testing, and certification still lie ahead. But China's methodical progress signals unwavering commitment to this ambitious goal. The C939-1000 is built to rival the Boeing 787-9 and Airbus A350-900, seating 330 passengers with a 12,000-kilometer range. Advanced composites make it lighter and more fuel-efficient, mirroring the latest Western designs. Aerodynamic wings and modern materials target top-tier performance and economics. Early models will use Western engines, but China is developing its own, the AEF-3500, for future independence. Building a competitive jet engine is a massive challenge, but crucial for China's aerospace ambitions. Comac plans a family of C939 variants, from stretched to ultra-long-range models. This approach lets airlines pick the right size while keeping pilot and maintenance commonality. The C939 isn't just a plane, it's a full product line aimed at challenging the industry's biggest players. China is building not just an aircraft, but a legacy. The C939 faces daunting hurdles, none bigger than international certification. This is a challenge that has stopped many ambitious projects in their tracks, and for Comac, it's the first true test on the global stage. Without FAA and ESA approval, the C939 simply can't fly passengers across borders or enter the world's most lucrative markets. These certifications are the golden tickets to global skies. These agencies will scrutinize every detail, from safety systems to manufacturing processes, making certification a technical and political gauntlet that few newcomers survive. Engine development is another mountain to climb. Building a reliable, efficient turbofan is even harder than designing the airframe itself. The engine is the heart of any jet, and any flaw can ground the entire project. Delays or setbacks in engine or certification could stall China's quest for true aerospace independence, pushing timelines back by years and raising costs. Beyond technology, Comac must earn airlines' trust, building a global support network from scratch and convincing carriers that help will be there when it's needed most. Airlines demand reliability, instant access to spare parts and worldwide service. Any gap in support can mean grounded planes and lost revenue. The C939 must match or exceed the high standards set by Boeing and Airbus, not just in performance but in every aspect of ownership and operation. Even a small gap in fuel efficiency or reliability could be a deal-breaker for airlines, who operate on razor-thin margins and can't afford surprises. Comac must prove the C939 is not just viable, but truly competitive, capable of standing shoulder to shoulder with the industry's best. The world is watching closely to see if China can climb this mountain and truly join the ranks of global aviation leaders. If the C939 succeeds, it will shatter the Boeing-Airbus duopoly. For the first time in decades, airlines will have a third option for long-haul jets. Competition could drive down prices and spur innovation, benefiting airlines and passengers alike. The C939 offers new flexibility, especially for airlines in Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. Chinese financing could help developing nations expand their fleets. A third player reduces risk for airlines and makes the market more resilient. Boeing and Airbus will be forced to innovate faster, pushing efficiency and comfort to new heights. The C939's arrival could be the catalyst for a new era of progress in aviation. The industry will be more dynamic, competitive, and globally balanced. The age of two giants is over, the future belongs to three. For travelers, the C939's debut may start subtly. Modern cabins appearing on Chinese airlines' new routes and a noticeable boost in comfort for passengers. As it gains global certification, increased competition could lower ticket prices and open up exciting new direct flights worldwide. More airlines and more routes will become available to travelers, and more choices will truly reshape the travel experience for everyone. The C939 marks Asia's rise as a leader in aerospace, not just a growing market. The global aviation system will become more interconnected and resilient than ever before. Whether the C939 fully succeeds or not, it's already changed the game for the industry. For passengers, the future promises more choice, better prices, and greater flexibility, and a more dynamic, competitive industry awaits. The sky is about to get a lot more interesting for everyone.